by the way, good morning, guys. Good morning. Here's a smiley face. Everyone's sending me messages. Good morning. Good morning. Tell me where you guys are at. Right now, I'm in New York City. Just curious location. You could, if you want, hit me up. Just say, hey, I want to shout out everybody where you guys are located, because it's not just for me. I know most of you are located, but I want to see where you guys, so you all can see. Oh, I have people from the East Coast, from the West Coast. You'd be surprised. Many people here, before you realize, they go, wow, I just met somebody who's like literally 20 minutes away from me. And they actually met up, had coffee together, started studying together as two girls in the group last year. So Miami, Virginia, Brazil, oh, New York City, yeah, beautiful. So I'm right now in Staten Island, but I'm always in New York City, Brooklyn, Queens, and all that. So the point is that if you're studying, honestly, it's down to two things: content and test taking. So if you know, for example, we're doing farm today. So if I ask you about aminoglycosides, tetracyclines, about chloramphenicol, I know you guys are familiar with these names. It sounds familiar, of course, you know these names. But you might say, uh-oh, I don't know the MOA. Uh-oh, I don't know the adverse effects. So I can tell you, at one point, I was working with about 6 students. It was an aggressive approach. They all reached out to me different times, and they wanted to do a study in less than 30 days. And I had a little extra time. So I put them through a certain aggressive approach for STEP. It all helped. And these are people, young, old, school, not in school, all work the same way. And all I did was I focused on immunomicrobiochem. I focused on farm and cancers. And I said, listen, you have to accept that you won't know a lot, meaning you won't cover anatomy, histology, embryology. You won't cover some conditions, but you need to know immunomicrobiochem. You need to know farm. You need to know cancers exceptionally well, because in every organ system, which are 9 plus behavioral science plus epi and biostats, medical ethics, you will see immunomicrobiochem, farm, and cancers. So you realize what I did in this situation is I helped them amplify their chances of scoring exceptionally well. And with literally pushing day by day, they all did very well. That being said, I need you guys to do the same thing. Whether your test is in 2 months or 3 months or 4 months, everyone has a different journey. Everyone has a different day-to-day routine. But I can promise you, if you stick with your schedule, and I have 2 schedules, study plans. I have a 2-month and 3-month. Secret is same sequence, the same routine: immunomicrobiochem and organ systems, CPRN, heart, cardio, palm, renal, neuro, and so on. The difference is some of you might need to spend 5 days per system. Others might spend 2 days per system. Yes, fair. Second, people have asked me, well, how do I know how much I have to study? Okay, either you accept, I haven't done this in a while, I need to go from the beginning and watch online med ed, Boards and Beyond, or boot camp, whatever video series that is. And that will help you bridge the gap from when you saw it last in school to now, versus, hey man, hey Stavro, I know my neurology. Okay, that's fine. I'm proud of you. That's awesome. Prove it to yourself. How do I do that? Oh, okay. Set up 3 days. Each day, do 40 to 80 questions in the morning, tutor mode, and see how you score. So if you're happy with the results, continue on to another system.